GCSE AQA Maths Paper 1 2017, question 28. A cone has a horizontal base of radius 5 cm and a height of 15 cm. The cone contains water to a depth of 9 cm. Work out the volume of the water in centimeters cubed. Give your answer in terms of pi. All we need to do is find the volume of the bigger cone and subtract it from the smaller one to find the volume of water. The volume of the bigger one is 1/3 times pi times 5 squared times 15, which gives us 125 pi. Since the cones are similar, the ratio of the heights and radii will also be proportional. So the ratio of the heights between the smaller and larger cones is 6 to 15. The radius of the larger cone is 5 centimeters. So if we times up and divide across, we figure out that the radius of the smaller cone is 2 centimeters. This means that the volume of the smaller cone is given by 1/3 times pi times 2 squared times 15 minus 9, which is just 8 pi. Subtracting the bigger cone from the smaller one, we get the volume of the water is equal to 117 pi.